This is the C100 pump, another of our centrifugal pump line. It is a smaller version of the popular C114, and it's a great entry-level pump. We recommend that the seal needs to be changed regularly. Depending on the application, it could be anywhere between 6 months or as long as 2 years. As with all our pumps, it's a good idea to maintain them. Now, because it's not something you do frequently, it's not unusual for us to get calls asking, how do I do that? We're not always here to answer the phone, so I'm going to show you a step-by-step process to ensure that you can get access to the seal and clean and replace it as necessary. Once you get the hang of it, the process should take you somewhere between 5 and 7 minutes. So we're going to change the seal on a little C100 pump here. Pretty simple operation. First thing we do is take off the wing nuts. We're going to pull the casing off. There's an O-ring around here that seals the casing, so it's a little tight to get off sometimes, but there we go. There we go. See the O-ring? We're going to turn the shaft so that the impeller pin is horizontal. Center it, pull the impeller off, turn it so the pin falls out into my hand, and then remove the back plate. And there's the seal. I'm going to pull the seal assembly out. There we go. And we've got a new one here. The seal assembly is made up of 4 parts. We've got the carbon, we've got the O-ring inside. It's called a high pressure backup ring. It keeps the O-ring in place. The cup and the spring. When we put this assembly back on, we have to make sure that this notch lines up with this pin on the shaft. So we'll put the pin at the 12 o'clock and the notch at 12 o'clock. Slide this assembly on, line it up, and then you can see it moves in and out quite nicely. Then we inspect the back plate, make sure it's nice and smooth, no wear and tear. This little circular ring on there, that's fine, that's normal wear, but it's scratches or nicks or chips that we're looking for. Back plate goes on. Turn the shaft so then slot it, the hole is sideways, put the pin in, put the impeller back on, turn it 90 degrees so the pin falls down, holds everything together. We'll put the casing back on. We can put a little bit of lubricant around the O-ring to make it go together easier if we want. Slide the casing on. One last thing, it's always a good idea to have at least one seal kit on hand. See you next time.